Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. And as you know, we have been discussing chapter number 10, that is Hututu Hututu. Okay, so in this chapter, we are going to discuss, and we have been discussing actually about a game called Kabaddi. Okay, there are different names in different region for Kabaddi. We have discussed the different rules related to Kabaddi. Okay, and now we are going to continue our lesson number 10, that is Hututu Hututu. So let us move to content. So let us say what is next. Do you play kabaddi? They are asking you whether you play kabaddi or not. Is there a girl kabaddi team in your school? Okay, there may be a team if we play kabaddi. If you are in the school, then there may be a team. Okay, there may be a team for boys. There may be a team for girls also. So now they're asking, is there a kabaddi team for girls in your school? So right now you are in the fourth standard, so you may or may not have a kabaddi team in your class. But if you go to a standard 8 or 9, then there may be a kabaddi team, okay, for playing kabaddi in regional wise or taluka level or district level, okay. Do you think that your grandmother played kabaddi when they were of your age? Ask them. You have to ask your grandmother whether they have played kabaddi or not when they were a child. Okay? Now, what does it mean? It means when she was of your age. Okay? Was she allowed to play kabaddi or not? Now, look, at that time, kabaddi was one of the, let us say, common games. Okay? All the children were playing kabaddi at that time. But right now, if you ask your grandfather, they will 100% say yes, we have played kabaddi. But if you ask the same question to your grandmother, then answer may be different. Why? Because girls were not allowed to play this kind of rough games. Look, grandmother, so girls were not allowed to play. Why? There are some reasons, we will go through them. Okay, it is already given in the content. But answer of your grandmother may be no, sometimes maybe yes also. Okay, do girls in your area play kabaddi or any other outdoor games? Okay, outdoor games means वो वाले गेम जो हम बाहर मैदान में खेलते हैं. ओके, नॉट लाइक चेस, कैरम. ओके, लाइक क्रिकेट, kabaddi, kho, all these are outdoor games. If there are girls who do not play, then what are the reasons for them not playing? Discuss. If girls are not playing kabaddi, then ask them about the reason why they are not playing kabaddi. Okay, there may be different reasons. Okay, now tell me what may be the reasons. One of the major reason may be their parents. Okay, their parents do not allow them to play this kind of rough games. Okay, as we have discussed, the kabaddi is a rough game. There may a injury, there may be a chance of occurring some injury. Okay, to leg, to arm, to muscle. Okay, so it is a rough game. So boys are allowed to play it, but sometimes girls are not allowed to play it. Another thing is clothes. Okay, girls cannot play kabaddi by wearing sari. Okay, can a girl play kabaddi by wearing sari? No. Sari means she cannot play by wearing sari. So obviously they have to change their clothes like t-shirt or shorts like that. So sometimes if the family or their parents do not allow to wear them this kind of clothes, then they do not play kabaddi. Okay. So these may be some reasons behind not playing kabaddi. Okay. Now let us see what is next. Next is one spot icon is there, or athlete is there. Her name is Karnam Maleshwari. Look here, it is written Karnam Maleshwari. You can see a picture over here also. Now let us read about her. Have you seen or read about her in newspapers? If you are reading newspaper, then you might have heard the name Karnam Maleshwari. Okay, Karnam Maleshwari is a weightlifter. What is she? She is a weightlifter. So what is a weightlifting? Weightlifting is a sport, okay, in which जो भी सबसे ज़्यादा weight उठा सकता है, he or she is a winner. Okay, we have to lift the weight. She lives in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, which state? Andhra Pradesh, state of India. She lives in Andhra Pradesh. Her father is a police constable. Okay. Maleshwari started lifting weights when she was 12 year old. Now look, when she was only 12-year old, she had started to uh, practice weight lifting. Okay. Now she can lift a weight of 130 kilograms. How much weight can she lift? She can lift 130 kilograms. Imagine what is 130 kilograms. What is your weight? Now imagine how many students of your age or of your weight are required to make 130 kilograms. Okay? Imagine what is 130 kilograms now. Or you can imagine it like this also. We have studied in the chapter that is Nandu, a day with Nandu. Yes or no? In that we have seen that a baby elephant. What is the weight of baby elephant? Around 100 kg. Okay, 100 kilograms. Now this is 130 kilograms. So it is more than a baby elephant's weight. So she can lift more than a weight of baby elephant. Imagine that now. Okay. Karnam has won 29 medals in international events. How many medals? 29 medals she had won, and that also in international events, not in national event, state events. It is in international event. Okay, that she had represented our country in international event and she had won 29 medals. Okay, her four sisters also practice weight lifting. Her sisters are also doing the same thing. They are interested in weightlifting. They are practicing it. Okay, now we will study about some more athletes, some more girl athletes of India at the end of this chapter. Okay, now let us see what is next. A story of three sisters. Look at these three sisters. Here you can see. Okay, they look like grandbrothers. Okay, but let us see what are they. Look at this photograph. Don't they look like simple grandmothers? Yes, they look like simple grandmothers from their age. But they are different. They are not simple grandmothers. They are different. How are they different? Let us see. The picture is of the three sisters. Their name is Jwala, Lila, and Hira. Okay, Jwala, Lila, and Hira. So the middle one looks to be oldest one. So she is Jwala, she is Lila, and she is Hira. Okay, Jwala, Lila, and Hira. Hope you got it. Okay, they live in Mumbai. Okay, where are they living? They are living in Mumbai. All three of them played kabaddi and taught the game to others. Now they have played kabaddi. Okay, they are kabaddi player and they have also taught the game to others. Okay, they have been worked as coach. Okay, hope you are getting it. Jwala tells, when we were young, girls were not allowed to play this game. Jwala means the elder sister, okay, of them. What does she tell? She tells that when we were young, okay, when they were child. Nowadays they are, look at her, they are looking like grandmothers, okay. But when they were young, girls were not allowed to play kabaddi. People thought that if girls play such rough game as we have discussed earlier, okay, if girl plays such a rough game, nobody would marry them. Okay, look, if girls are playing this kind of game, the boys will not get ready to marry them, so they will remain unmarried. Okay, that is what the threat was. They also said that the girls had to wear boys' clothes. Look here, as we have discussed earlier, they cannot play kabaddi by wearing sari. So girls have to play boys' clothes to play kabaddi. Okay, like t-shirt and shorts. That is why they stopped the girls from playing. So there were two reasons for girls not to play kabaddi. First one is it is a rough game. Okay. Second one is the girls have to wear boys' clothes. Okay. and there were some restrictions from their family to wear this kind of clothes. Okay, so there were these two main reasons for girls not to play kabaddi. The sisters were young when their father died. When they were young, their father died. Their mother and mamas. Mamas means maternal uncle. Okay, we know what is meaning of mama. Mama means brother of our mother is called mama, as we all know. Okay, or in English we can say maternal uncle. Okay, or uncle from mother side. Okay, their mothers and mamas brought them up. Okay, उनका पालन पोषण किसने किया, उछेर किसने किया उनका, her mother and mamas. Both uncles used to play kabaddi and kho kho. Means their mamas were playing kabaddi and kho kho. They were athlete too. They encouraged the three sisters to play kabaddi. Now, who wanted their mama? They, they himself were what, athlete. That is why they encouraged these three sisters to play kabaddi also. Jwala and Leela talk about their experiences. Now look, what do Jwala and Leela say? Almost 50 years ago when we started to play kabaddi, girls never got a chance to play this game. So now they are talking about the incident when before 50 years. Okay, nowadays it is 2020, so they are talking about 1970 or around somewhat. Okay, so at that times girls were not getting chance to play kabaddi, as we have discussed the reason behind it. Okay, parents did not let them to play this game, but we always felt that we should play, and my uncles and mother supported us. Okay, but what about these girls? Their parents were allowing them to play kabaddi. Okay, they were supportive, as we have discussed earlier. We three learnt that the game, and some other girls also joined us. Okay, so these three girls learned to play kabaddi, and some other girls also joined them to play kabaddi. We formed a kabaddi club which is active even today. Now they formed a kabaddi club. What is meaning of club? Club means one organization that is related to any game. You might have heard about cricket club, football club. So it is an organization or a group of players. Okay, they play some games of that particular sport. So if it is a football club, then there are football players and they will play football games. If it is a cricket club, then there are players of cricket, cricketers are there, and they will play cricket. Okay, like this there is a kabaddi club, so there are kabaddi players in that club, and they all will play kabaddi matches. Okay, so that club is even active today. Okay,